YouTube? It's me, the Fat Mexican Chef. And as you can see, we're in the kitchen right now because you demanded it and now you got it. Cooking with the chef. I'm going to bring you some hot bangers here, give you some good tips, ideas, and show you some quick meals. You know, right now you guys probably need it in this quarantine. Give you some ideas on what to make at home. So, yeah, I'll be bringing you some just generic meals, some erotic meals, and yeah, let's get down to it. Yeah, so this is a real quick and easy meal. Could be served for breakfast or lunch, whatever you desire, and just to give you an idea what to be serving. So this is what you'll be needing to make this awesome meal, and it's a serving size of 5 to 6 people. So let's get to it. Yeah, so first you gotta wash your potatoes, make sure they're real clean. Then start peeling. Smooth that out my way. Pretty simple, pretty easy. It's not a rocket science here. It's a quick meal. For those of you who have lots of kids, I know kids love hot dogs and potatoes. Now while you're over there peeling potatoes, you can also warm up the pan. I usually like to use this kind of pan, and you just need a little bit of oil, just to dab it. That way the potatoes cook, and then start warming up the stove. I say put it around maybe a little bit less than halfway. I don't know if you got a gas stove, you might need me lower because everything with the gas stove cooks a lot faster. So yeah, so let's get back to the peeling.
2 hours later.
There. Then, once you get to the end of that, put them in your bowl. Oops. Take them over here. And you wash them again. Huh? Can never be too clean. Potatoes come from the ground, so they're real dirty. Yeah. Look how dirty that water is, bro. Take them back over there. Now we dice and slice. Make sure you always check your pan because you don't want to set the house on fire. Believe me. Next, you're going to grab your potatoes that you just washed, pull them out, and you're going to dice them. You can dice them however you like. This is how I dice them. I cut it in half once. Then I do the old 1, 2, put them together. Real nice and smooth groove. Be careful with your fingers. If you don't know what you're doing, take your time. Because don't want you to end up in the hospital. Yeah, so comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see me cook. You know, I like to hear you guys' comments. And stay tuned to this new channel we got going because I'm going to have some special guests with me. I'm pretty sure you know who they are. Back to the slicing. Yeah, so now that you're done dicing and slicing these puppies up, let's get them on the fryer, where you should already have your oil all warmed up and ready to go.
Wow.
Check it out. That's how many potatoes we got. Next, we diced those. Yeah, so walk over to your stove. I like to turn my stove back down to simmer. And then just pour in these. Yeah, so I'll pour these in away from them. Here's the sizzle. Here's the pop. Okay. Here's a little bit of salt. Salt them a little bit. Got my pepper. And just a dash of garlic, bro. Yeah. So once that's all done, just cover it. Like I said, put it to simmer. Make sure you always wash your hands after you touch something else. So I'm gonna go over to the sink, wash my hands, and get to dicing on these dogs. Alright, so let's get back to these dogs, huh? Mini Chef loves these, but loves this meal, by the way. He loves hot dogs. Huh? So this was very easy. Just get the dogs and make sure you're well coordinated with your dog, because you don't want to accidentally cut yourself, if you know what I mean. You always want to stir it while you're doing something else. Make sure you check on it. It's kind of like a, I don't know, kind of like watching over your children when they're outside playing. You got to check on it every now and then. So you just recover it. Now back to the hot dogs. You could cut these two different ways. You can either go in half one time and then cut them again. But my kids don't like them like that. They like the full effect, bro. They feel like they get ripped off if I cut them in halves. So I give them the full circle. Huh? Then you just repeat. Make sure you rinse everything you use, clean it real good, and clean now. Next, just grab the hot dogs, throw them in your bowl, and that's all that's to it. Now we just add it to the potatoes that are already simmering. Check it out. Yeah, so come over here, check on your potatoes. Once again, give it a good stir. See how those are coming out? Now you can cook your potatoes a little bit longer than you cook your hot dogs. That's what I like to do, because I like my potatoes a little bit crispy. Huh? Yeah, so you hear them sizzling real good, real nice. I just put a dash of oil. Don't want to put too much oil, otherwise they get real smushy. And then just add your dogs. Okay. Mix it in real good. It's looking delicious. Don't forget to share this new channel with your friends, family, dogs, cats. Maybe not dogs, because we're cooking dogs. But yeah. Stay tuned for more hot bangers coming on this channel. Now just make sure you stir it real good. You don't want it to get stuck to the pan, depending on what kind of pan you have. A lot of these pans that I cook with are non-stick pans, so it makes it a lot easier. But just make sure you stir it. And cover it. I like to bump it back up to probably around 3. So we'll see you when it's done. It's done. And this is what it should look like. You want to check the potatoes, that's how you know when it's done. Not too much stickiness. Stir a little. Looks delicious. Yeah, well, that was the first episode of Cooking with the Chef. And let me know if you like this in the comments down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to this new channel. Show us that you guys are interested in learning how to cook new meals and giving you good ideas to cook new meals. And yeah, well, it's me, the Fat Mexican Chef. This is my cooking channel, and you are cooking with the chef.
Come and get it!
Well, this is Cooking with the... Whoa!
Go Raiders!
¡Ah, Fernando! ¡Ahí te guacho!
Maria, Maria. All she wanna do is sell elote. She put hella queso, extra mayonesa. Ven y dame un beso. Can I touch your teta? Honk, honk, Maria. All she wanna do is sell elotes. Donald Trump say that she can't stay. Send her back where she came, Monterrey. Wait, there's a way.